What if one robot could do the work of 5 humans every single day? China installs over 50% of the world's robots, and that number keeps growing fast. So the real question is, are cities already becoming fully automated? Food delivery is no longer just bikes and traffic in Shenzhen. Drones are now doing the job in a much smarter way. These flying machines pick up orders and deliver them directly without stopping at signals or getting stuck in traffic. Everything is controlled through apps like WeChat, where ordering takes just seconds. Once the order is placed, the system assigns a drone automatically and it flies straight to the drop point. The package is dropped into a smart locker and the drone leaves instantly. The boxes are reusable, which also reduces waste. Delivery becomes faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Now think about this. If a drone can do all this without getting tired, what happens to human delivery workers in the future? Driverless taxis are no longer experiments in this city. Companies like Baidu are already running these self-driving cars on real roads. These vehicles use sensors, cameras, and AI systems to understand the environment around them. They can detect traffic, avoid people, and follow road rules without a driver inside. Inside the car, a screen shows what the system is seeing, which makes people feel more comfortable. The ride is usually smooth, and the system handles turns and signals quite well. But sometimes there are small mistakes, like stopping in the wrong place or dropping passengers at awkward spots. So the technology is strong, but still improving. If this becomes perfect, taxi drivers could slowly be replaced. Restaurants are also becoming automated in many parts of this city. Instead of waiters, food is delivered using automated tracks and magnetic systems. Plates travel directly from the kitchen to the table without any human help. This makes the process fast and reduces mistakes in orders. Everything is controlled by a central system that knows exactly where each dish should go. But not everything is fully robotic yet. Some items, like drinks, are still handled by humans because they require careful handling. The system works well for speed, but it still lacks flexibility in certain tasks. So the question is simple: will people prefer fast robot service or human interaction while eating? Street cleaning is one of the most repetitive and tiring jobs, and cleaning robots are now handling it. These machines move around on their own and clean roads, sidewalks, and public areas. They are designed to avoid obstacles and adjust their path when people are around. The machines work slowly but continuously, which makes them effective over time. Sometimes they miss spots or stop working, but overall they reduce the need for human effort. These robots are perfect for repetitive tasks that do not require thinking. Over time, their efficiency will improve even more. This shows how machines are slowly replacing basic manual jobs. Hotels in this city are also changing with automation. Inside rooms, AI systems control lights, curtains, and temperature without manual effort. Everything works automatically as soon as the guest enters. One of the most interesting parts is the delivery robots used in hotels. These robots bring food and packages directly to rooms without human staff. They can move through hallways, use elevators, and find the correct room easily. They also avoid people and obstacles while moving. This saves time for both guests and hotel workers. It feels very convenient, but at the same time, it reduces the need for human staff in many roles. Tech areas in Shenzhen are filled with innovation and automation. Companies like Alibaba and Oppo are building advanced systems and robots. Even smartphone companies are now making electric cars, which shows how fast technology is growing. Delivery robots are also used in subway stations to transport goods between shops. These machines carry cargo and move through complex areas without human control. Some systems even allow remote control, almost like playing a game. This level of automation is changing how cities operate on a daily basis. Healthcare is one of the most important areas where robots are being used. Surgical robots help doctors perform operations with high precision and accuracy. These machines track movement in real time and guide tools during surgery. In procedures like knee replacement, robots help in making exact cuts and placements.
This reduces errors and improves patient safety. Even beginners can understand basic operations with guided systems. Of course, real doctors are still needed, but robots are becoming powerful assistants. This raises an important question. Would people trust a machine during a critical surgery?
Robots that look and act like humans are also being developed at a very fast pace. These are called humanoid robots, and they are designed to copy human behavior as closely as possible. Companies like Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and UB Tech Robotics are leading this development. Some of these robots can already talk, understand basic commands, and even respond to questions in real time. They are used in places like malls, exhibitions, and offices to guide visitors and provide information. Earlier versions were slow, laggy, and not very practical, which made them less useful in real situations. But now, newer models are improving with better AI systems and faster processing. Advanced humanoid robots can now walk smoothly, maintain balance, and perform actions like dancing, waving, and even basic physical tasks. Their movement is becoming more natural, which makes them look less like machines and more like humans. Some robots can also recognize faces and respond differently based on the person they are interacting with. Right now, most of these robots are used for entertainment, customer service, and brand promotion. However, companies are working on making them capable of doing more complex jobs in the future. This includes roles in healthcare, education, and even household work. As this technology grows, it creates both excitement and concern about how far robots can go and how they might impact human jobs. Even simple daily tasks are now handled by machines. Robotic coffee makers can prepare drinks with perfect consistency every time. Some machines can even print images on coffee using advanced technology. Everything is precise and quick, which improves efficiency. But machines still lack creativity and personal touch. A human can adjust taste, interact, and create a better experience. So there is still a balance between automation and human involvement. Efficiency is high with robots, but emotional connection is missing. This balance will decide how much automation people actually accept. Entertainment is also changing with the use of drones. Instead of fireworks, drone shows are becoming more popular. Hundreds of drones fly together and create shapes, patterns, and animations in the sky. These shows are controlled by software and can be programmed in many ways. Unlike fireworks, drones can be reused and are better for the environment. The visuals are also more detailed and creative. This technology shows how machines can improve even creative industries. It is one of the areas where robots clearly perform better than traditional methods. After looking at all these changes, one thing is clear. Robots are not fully replacing humans yet, but they are taking over many tasks. Jobs that are repetitive and physical are already being handled by machines. At the same time, creative and emotional roles are still done by humans. This means both will exist together for now. The real change is happening in how work is divided. People who adapt to new technology will have more opportunities. Cities like Shenzhen are showing what the future could look like. And that future is getting closer every day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.